The holiday season is a time of magic, warmth, and togetherness, a time to embrace traditions that fill our hearts with joy. Across the United States, Christmas markets have become one of the most beloved ways to celebrate this festive season. These markets bring a touch of European charm to American cities, offering twinkling lights, handcrafted gifts, delicious treats, and a cozy atmosphere that feels like stepping into a winter wonderland. Are you ready to dive into the holiday spirit? Here are the top 5 best Christmas markets in the US for 2024, perfect for making your holiday season unforgettable. One, Christkindlmarket, Chicago, Illinois. Chicago's Christkindlmarket is the ultimate holiday destination for anyone seeking an authentic Christmas market experience. Drawing inspiration from Germany's traditional markets, this event has become a cornerstone of holiday celebrations in the United States. Nestled in Daley Plaza, the Christkindlmarket features charming wooden chalets that evoke the old-world charm of Europe. Visitors will be delighted by the vast array of unique, handcrafted items available for purchase. Whether it's delicate glass ornaments, intricate nutcrackers, or cozy winter accessories, there's something for everyone. These gifts make perfect keepsakes or thoughtful presents for loved ones. Food is a central part of the Christkindlmarket experience. Enjoy German classics like bratwurst, schnitzel, and warm pretzels paired with glühwein mulled wine served in collectible mugs. For dessert, indulge in traditional stollen, gingerbread hearts, or roasted nuts as you wander through the market. But the magic doesn't stop at shopping and eating. The Christkindlmarket hosts live performances, including festive caroling and dance performances that fill the air with joy. Two, Union Square Holiday Market, New York City, New York. New York City's Union Square Holiday Market is a vibrant celebration of all things festive. Located in the heart of Manhattan, this market transforms Union Square into a winter wonderland filled with energy and charm. Over 150 vendors come together to create an unforgettable holiday shopping experience. The market's offerings are as diverse as New York itself. Shoppers can browse an impressive selection of handmade goods, including artisan jewelry, home decor, clothing, and unique holiday-themed crafts. Each stall offers something special, making it the perfect place to find one-of-a-kind gifts for friends and family. Foodies will find plenty to love at the Union Square Holiday Market. Savor gourmet hot chocolate, freshly baked cookies, and artisanal cheeses as you explore the bustling stalls. There are also savory options like empanadas, dumplings, and other international delights that reflect the city's multicultural spirit. Three, the Great Dickens Christmas Fair, San Francisco, California. If you've ever dreamed of stepping into a Charles Dickens novel, the Great Dickens Christmas Fair in San Francisco is your chance. This immersive event is more than just a market, it's a journey back in time to Victorian-era London. From the moment you arrive, you'll be surrounded by cobblestone streets, gaslit lamps, and costumed actors who bring Dickens' characters to life. The market features an impressive selection of shops offering unique and vintage-inspired gifts. Discover hand-sewn clothing, intricate jewelry, and beautiful holiday decorations that capture the spirit of the past. These items are perfect for anyone who appreciates craftsmanship and history. What sets this fair apart is its interactive entertainment. Actors portraying Ebenezer Scrooge, Oliver Twist, and other beloved Dickens characters roam the streets, interacting with visitors and performing impromptu scenes. Carolers fill the air with music, while theatrical performances and dance shows keep the energy lively. (4) Texas Christkindlmarket, Arlington, Texas. Deep in the heart of Texas, the Texas Christkindlmarket brings the charm of German Christmas traditions to the Lone Star State. Held in Arlington, this market combines the best of German culture with a touch of Texan hospitality, creating a unique holiday experience for visitors of all ages. The market features rows of wooden booths selling authentic German goods, including hand-carved nutcrackers, ornate cuckoo clocks, and beautiful Christmas ornaments. Shoppers can also find local Texan crafts that make for perfect holiday gifts. Food is a highlight of the Texas Christkindlmarket. Feast on bratwurst, sauerkraut, and pretzels while sipping on imported German beers or warm glühwein. For dessert, try sweet pastries and festive cookies that will leave you craving more. The market also offers plenty of entertainment, from live music and dance performances to activities for children. (5) Downtown Holiday Market, Washington, D.C. Located in the heart of the nation's capital, the Downtown Holiday Market is a celebration of art, culture, and holiday spirit. This open-air market features over 70 exhibitors offering a curated selection of handmade crafts, fine art, and gourmet foods. Shoppers can browse unique items ranging from locally crafted jewelry and clothing to stunning artwork and home decor. These items are perfect for holiday gifting or adding a personal touch to your own home. The market's food offerings are just as impressive. Warm up with a cup of spiced cider, enjoy a slice of festive pie, or savor savory snacks like empanadas and gourmet popcorn. There's something to satisfy every craving. What truly sets the Downtown Holiday Market apart is its live entertainment. From jazz and blues to holiday classics, the music creates a lively and festive atmosphere. Christmas markets are more than just a place to shop. They're a celebration of the season's magic, offering warmth, joy, and a chance to connect with loved ones. From Chicago's Christkindlmarket to the Downtown Holiday Market in Washington, D.C., these destinations bring the holiday spirit to life. Which market will you visit this year? Let us know in the comments below. And before you head off to plan your holiday adventures, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Wishing you a magical and joyful holiday season. See you at the markets.